Hi, I've heard that you are coming to Kin Village in the next few weeks. And so I wanted to give you some really good tips on what you need to pack in your bag when you come. The first thing you're going to need to bring is sunscreen. And we think that you should put it on before you come and then put it in your bag so that you can reapply it during the day. And along with sunscreen, we need our hat. So it's really important that we have these with us at all times. And because we're by the river, if you can see in the background, you're going to need to bring your bathers if you'd like to swim. And I think you should just bring them anyway because it gets really exciting because we're going to be building rafts. So I have got my wet bag here to put my clothes in once I'm finished. And I've got my towel that I can dry off with. We've got a change room here that you can use to get ready. And then just in case it gets a little bit cold, I'm going to bring a jumper and I might even bring my raincoat. So I think you should pack them too, just in case. And that way we're ready for whatever nature has to throw at us. And we're going to have so much fun. The other thing is, once we're doing all this changing and possibly swimming and exploring, we're going to get super thirsty. So make sure you pack your water bottle and make sure you pack something for lunch. In my Mary Poppins bag, here it is, lunchbox and some snacks, a piece of fruit. Pop them all in your bag so that you know where it all is, and you're going to be set for a great day at Kin Village for us. We can't wait to see you.